Hey y'all, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. We have a Grenadier in the shop, so we are able to make an amazing drawer system for the back of your Grenadier. This is classic dual drawer system like we do here at Solid Woodworks, with your false tops, your cubbies, your separators, all that good stuff, and a bed extension. Let me show you a little bit on how it works. So first off, like I said, you got your drawer system, all kinds of cubbies and separators on 250-pound locking drawer slides, so that thing's not going anywhere. All your recovery gear, your cooking gear, your food, your clothes, whatever you want to put in these drawers. Super easy to not only pack in here, but also organize. You can easily pop out your divider system, pop it in different locations, different separators we call it, that go front to back, subdivide this entire drawer. That is your left-hand drawer there. All of this stuff is changeable from each side, and of course our false tops. So right here, you got your metal false top, easily pop that out, and your bamboo false top, slide it back and forth, access something from the front, the back, do some chopping. I like to use the metal ones for my stoves and or any sort of quick prep. Also, we incorporate a little bit of the storage here on the side, so you got your little cubbies. You can pop that open, put all kinds of fun stuff down in there. You can also access that storage that's in the Grenadier stock. On your driver's side, you have the exact same option. It's a little skinnier and a little longer, but you got a cubby just here. Pop that open super easily, put all kinds of good stuff in there. Also pop that open, which is a little bit of storage for like your bottle jack and whatnot. Still easily accessible, 12-volt plug right there as well. All right, so in your Ineos Grenadier, you're gonna have a bed system like this. Super easy. We made the drawer system the same height as the seats. So in just a few seconds, you can flip back your bed support. This is your 40% side. Flip up your seat, down the base, and you're back into sitting mode. You also will have the 60% side here that works exactly the same. You have your dogs in here, your cooler, any types of good stuff like that, surfboard, skis, but still have a passenger on this side or two passengers on this side. It's one of my favorite new options in our newly created drawer system. Then a couple seconds, you're back in bed mode. It's about 5'4" right here, so you could sleep a little sideways, get about a 6-foot person in here, and or if you're shorter like myself, or you just want to have a nice big flat spot in the back of your Grenadier to bring everything to the beach, that's your setup.